just wanted to share with you about my latest love and unbox it with me. I have got, what do you get the girl that's got a cleaner for the Airbnb, hasn't worked for a couple of years. Yeah, you get a robotic hoover and floor washer. I just thought this would be great because you go out, you come back and the floor's been hoovered and mopped. I've got a very hairy Labradoodle and just see how to get in here. Now this is on Amazon on special at the moment for £350. It's got £100 off of it. Let's see what sort of job this does. See if I can speed this up on my video editing. I've also got these great glasses from iKeeper. So they are non-prescription at the top bit, and then they sort of graduate into a prescription thing. So it means when I'm driving and I need to put things like my sat nav in and I can't see what the, well, I can't see it, it means I can at least see it. Now I have downloaded installation, place on charging dock, secure the charging dock. I must have to charge it up first. I'm going to come back to you once I've opened the box because it looks very well packed. Little beauty, here it is here. That's the water tank. No, it can't be. That's the hoover. Oh, fucking hell, it's heavy. This is the Pro with a water tank, but I can't see where the water tank is. Let me have a little. Must be the Pro because this is the mop. This is the mop part of it. Is this going to mop up all your hairs? It's a plug bit of it. I don't know where the water goes unless it must go in there. Let me read through and come back to you in a minute. So here's the charging dock. I'm going to pop the charger in there and then I'm going to go and plug it in down there. Now I've downloaded this Roborock app. Do I want to be sent notifications about my hoover? Of course I do. Right, let me just sign up. Right, I've done my verification, done my password, add device. Okay, next. It's not me breathing, that's Ollie. Right, oh, okay, yeah, I know. Press and hold the spot cleaning and dot buttons for 3 seconds until you hear the reset Wi-Fi. Okay. Gung ho Sharon. Turn it on. Then it should show you that it's charging apparently. I am charging. Come back tomorrow. I've got the price wrong. It's actually £219 and it needs to have a bit of, needs some space like myself. Right.
Resetting Wi-Fi. Positioning. Stand by.
little fucker, isn't it? Yay! Right, me and Ollie gonna fuck up upstairs now. Oh, it's where you pick up everything, all the shit off the floor. Faster than I thought. Mummy's got a new friend. Come on, Ollie, before we get hoovered up. It's back home. Oh wow, the floor does look amazing. It can't get there because obviously it's bigger. I'm going to fill it with water now. This will be the
Dustbin removed.
oh my god. Right then, so this, you wet the pad with some cleaning fluid and then you fill it up somewhere in here. It's like lemon barley water. But it's some sort of vanilla cleaner from, I think it's Spanish. And I'm gonna let it mop the floor when I come back. Just literally slots on there. I'm gonna send it back to work.
Starting to clean. Positioning. Stand by.
I thought that was quick. It's a low battery, so it's gone back home to charge. I've just come back from Asda and it's washed my floor. It smells absolutely amazing in here. I could give that 10 out of 10. It's absolutely amazing. £219. I know it's lazy that I could hoover and mop my floor myself, but how nice is that going out and coming back and it's like you've got your own little cleaner. Well, that don't look great. But yeah, as a going over and sweeping up the hairs, it's not going to scrub stuff off, but under my sofas, brilliant. Okay, it's gone the little leaf. No, it's not been in here yet. This here is not, I've been able to hoover that up, I don't know what that is. Should be able to get under my bedside cabinet. I know you can set up this all different zones and everything. I just like to switch it just on wherever I am. I've got to do all the other bits, so let's.
Dustbin removed.
Oh wow, that is just literally in one bedroom. Clatty bitch. Oh, not the cleverest thing, Sharon, but yeah, it's It's got quite a lot of stuff up, hasn't it? Empty that and start again. It has had a spin in here. Let's left that dust there. Well, I left that dust there. Yeah, don't get me wrong, it's not going to be the same as... I don't think you get rid of your Henry for it, but for literally just running the Hoover every day, it's pretty bloody impressive.
Starting to clean. Positioning. Stand by.
Bloody hell. Just watch it all day long.
Positioning failed. Starting new clean.
So I'm gonna go back home. Angry. Furious. Just do videos with this, couldn't I? Obviously it's not going to get into the corners, but yeah, just for a quick refresh the house. Bloody brilliant.